guys, welcome back to my channel. So excuse the way I'm looking at the moment. I have just washed my face, ready to film this video, which is testing out the L'Oreal clay mask. So I have this set and it's called the L'Oreal Multi-Masking Play Kit Pure Clay Mini Masks. So there's 3 masks in here and I'm going to test them out today for you. I love a face mask. My favourite one is the Body Shop clay type one. I love that one. So I've washed my face ready. I am clean and ready to go. The 3 masks in here, we have a green one for purity. It says it purifies your skin. We have a black one which is charcoal and acts like a magnet to draw out impurities, and a red one which is known for brightening your skin. So the girl on the picture there, that's pretty much how I'm going to do my face. So I'm going to put the green on my nose and forehead, the red on my cheeks, and the black on my chin, because that's pretty much how she does it there. And I use my e.l.f. spatula for masks, so I'm going to put that on my skin. It says to leave it on for 5 to 10 minutes. I probably leave it on for 10 minutes. And also on the back it has different suggestions, like if you've done a workout and you want to sort out the sweat and stuff, you can put the different colours on different parts of your face. It has a de-stress one, a post-night out one, so that's really clever on the back. I really like that. Now I actually had this for free from Boots, I think, because I spent like over £15 on L'Oreal or something like that. So this might still be on the Boots website. And if any of these masks are any good, I will probably go and buy the full-size ones. So yeah, let's just get started. Okay, so there's small little pots like this. And I'm going to do the green one first. So I'm going to put that on my nose and forehead area. It is starting to sting around my nose area, so I guess that means it's working. Okay, I'm now going to use the red one and I'm going to pop that on my cheeks. Now I would say the green one is more of a thin texture. This red one is a thicker texture, I would say. Much thicker mask. And now finally for the black charcoal one on my chin. Do you know what? I think I'm going to put some up here as well, the black one. Now it says leave for 10 minutes. So yes, I'm just going to leave it for 10 minutes. Right, so it's been 10 minutes. My face is really stiff now. It's starting to, I'm struggling to move it. It is starting to crack. The green has pretty much mainly dried. The black, I think I did too thick because it's not dry. And the red, I don't think the red dries. I think it just stays as it is. But I'm going to wash it off now. I've got a warm flannel, so I'm going to wash it off on camera for you, and then I'll go and wash my face in the bathroom. So yeah, let's see if it's any good. Yeah, so the red comes off quite easily. So quite tricky to take off. My face is getting quite red from all the rubbing, but I think that's because I need like a wetter, warmer flannel probably. Right, I think I'll take the rest off when I go and wash my face, so that's what I'm gonna go do now. Right, I'm back, face is washed. Oh my gosh, I look terrible in the camera and the viewfinder. Face is washed, I'm touching my skin, and I don't know if it's ever felt so smooth in my life. It feels amazing. I can't tell you how good my face feels. Super smooth, super soft. Wow, I would actually say that it's actually cleaned up a few of my pores as well. I think it's got rid of some of my blackheads. This is really good. What is going on? Oh my gosh, my skin looks so good. Do you know what? I think it's really hydrated my skin as well. Not only has it detoxed and purified and all those other things, but I also think that it's completely like hydrated my skin. My skin feels amazing. Wow, this gets a thumbs up from me. If you don't have these, I would suggest buying the little mini ones first to see if you like them, and then purchase the big ones. I'm definitely going to go and purchase big ones now from this. These are so good. I really like them. I was expecting to like them, but I wasn't expecting to like them as much as I did. Wow, I just literally, if only you could feel my skin right now. It feels amazing and really clean, really soft, like purified. I love it. Well, yeah, that's really good. I'm really happy with that. So yeah, that completes this video. I hope that you liked it. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up down below. Make sure you subscribe to my channel if you're not already, so you can see all my other videos. And leave a comment down below if you've tried these out. Which one is your favourite? Let me know in the comments. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, guys, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye!